Hello everybody, my name is Mark Schuyler. I appreciate you guys checking out this video today. This video, I'm pretty much going to show you around with lead lighting. Before I even get started with that, for people watching this video, uh, just tell me where you're watching it from, city, state, or have you watched it on replay. Just hashtag replay. So, to get started here, lead lighting only costs you $7, one-time fee only to get started. This is a stripped down version of the power lead system, and I'll get into that later on about the power lead system. For people who've been following me on Facebook and stuff like that, there is a video on my YouTube channel that has, the power lead system, explains all that. So anyway, we want to get started here. You can click here. How do I get started here? Please wait a little while my computer decides to get caught up here. You go watch this video that's pretty much a welcome video, pretty much walks you through what I'm about ready to tell you. So to get started here, folks, is to basically join the Facebook group, choose which links you want to advertise. If you don't have a business here, you can promote lead lighting. I mean, you get $6 commissions for each person who sign up. So that's really the way to go if you don't have no business yet. So basically, with lead lighting, you're building a list of people that you want to promote your other business to. Let's say like you're in some CBD business or cryptocurrency and stuff. Whatever it is that you're wanting to promote. You could do that here with lead lighting, or if you just want to promote lead lighting to, your list of stuff that you're building. Um, this is where I started out to begin with anyway. I didn't know anybody that was doing this. A lot of, my friends that are on Facebook don't do this kind of thing. They just don't. And, being a parent of 4 kids, you gotta find out what's gonna work for your family in the long run, in case things don't happen. In the job market and stuff like that. You're barely just surviving. You have an extra $7. Why not do that? At least have something. And so anyway, how this all works, you click that on and it'll tell you how it works and stuff like that. So basically, like I was saying, you have your 3 steps to this stuff. People try to make it so hard that they overcomplicate things to do things like this. And I want to say this before I even get further, folks. Just because you join a business, money's not gonna come flowing in on day one. You gotta know what you're doing first. And so, just thought I'd point that out there. So, what I would do is check out the promotional tools for one, so you know where you can advertise these things at, or get you a Udemy solo ads account. If you sign up with me, I give you a $5 discount. Just I'll let you know that. So anyway, you go through this training area here. So you want to create a username and a password and so forth. So I already have one, so I'm going to log right into it. So anyway, with the power lead system here, trading for people who are just, the free lead system. You're not going to be have all this stuff that you want to learn, but I can get you into the hangout stuff like that. Which is they have a schedule here. They do this Wednesday, Thursday nights training, which is very lucrative for people who decide, hey, I want to upgrade to the power lead system so I can learn, make more money. That's great. We're gonna have replays here for people who work Wednesday, Thursday nights, stuff like that. This marketing system, check it out. System video pretty much walks you through everything you need to know about, the lead lightning stuff and the power lead system and so forth. There is a diamond and platinum that you could upgrade to, which you can make more substantial money. You can check that out here, stuff like that. So just I'll let you guys know. So we'll go to the marketing so you guys have an idea. So what happens is that you will get these 4 power lead system funnels here, sales funnel, and you'll get clicks. You can buy from here to here to here, and I'll just give you a good idea what they are. So this page is loading up. People, you need traffic to links and stuff. Your offers that you're wanting to sell to people, and I don't really sell to friends and family. So people think I'm gonna hit them up on Facebook or something like that. That I'm gonna sell them something else about. I'm not going to do that. Now, you find something interesting. Hey, get a side gig here. Let me try this out, and that's how you can get started here. So anyway, when you have clicks here, what you do is you buy the order 100 at $107. But like I said, go to Udemy. You could buy clicks like at $30 and up. So that's pretty much my video of this. And like I said, you guys just check it out, all the video you can for the lead lightning stuff. There's an autoresponder in there for people who get into the silver and the gold membership and stuff. Like I said, power lead system $54, silver $30. You can't find a better deal than that with the autoresponder included, stuff like that, and trading on Wednesday, Thursday nights, and an unbelievable 50% matching bonus of whatever your downline makes and stuff like that. You can't go wrong there. So, appreciate you guys checking out this video. Have a great day.